This is like when they used to invite me to video games and just clobber me.
You excited?
Yeah.
You full on amped?
Are we shooting his car?
Great success!
Are we shooting his car?
Yes, we're shooting his car.
Go!
Ball?
Oh, wait. Okay.
Hello world. Just another day in the small town USA. Gonna be playing some paintball today.
Let's go to yeah, you're spilling a lot.
Filling up the hopper with balls. It's delicious.
This guy's hosting this. Oh!
Whoa, the death sticks.
Today's episode, we're going to be doing some paintballing. So we've got our friend Kyle, which is a bachelor, still not married. We say he has all this stuff. I think he's kind of got an obsession. So we set up this course with all these inflatable barriers, some straw bales out in a tent, some blow-up mattresses, and we've got some hardcore rednecks here in town that want to play some paintballing. I mean, there's nothing out here to do other than farming, hunting, paintballing. Yeah. Yep, that's it.
Ready, boys? Oh, we're ready.
Here we go.
Tyson. Yeah. Just got handicapped. The fattest kid and the...
No, that's not a game. We just gotta run around and not get shot.
It's a team. It's a team sport. It's not an individual sport. So.
You get him, pick somebody else.
You'll be Team Holmes and he'll be Team Ox. We'll see who wins.
Yes.
Go Team Holmes! I'm sponsoring you. They're strategizing, kind of take out Team Holmes. You got hit. Yeah, Team Holmes wins. They're trying to talk me into taking my car out on the field and shoot my car, which I think it would wash out. I'm just afraid of the dents. Is it gonna ruin my paint? You gonna chip my paint and stuff?
No!
What do you mean? They will break mirrors, like rear view mirrors on the side of the cars. If you shoot them at the right angle, they'll break those. Headlights and taillights.
So-
Not headlights, but taillights.
Well, let's get your truck then.
No. Your car's
The
glass.
farther away I am, the better, right?
Well, sure.
Okay, this guy just is agreeing, like, yeah, it won't hurt your car.
You excited?
Yeah.
You full on amped?
Are we shooting his car?
Great success!
Are we shooting his car?
Yes, we're shooting his car.
Let's go. Ready? Let's go.
I hope it gets weird and he like takes out a T-post.
Go!
There you go. Great.
No, I think I threw my bad shouldering out.
I mean, I'll drive it if you want to shoot your car.
Yeah.
I don't know. What else?
We'll buy a new one when our money rolls in. That was pretty scary. The adrenaline was awesome. I encourage everyone to try it. Okay, round 2.
Oh, we're down for round 2.
Okay, here we go. Round 2. Ox is driving.
I'm telling you, dude, that's
That's funny. We'll see if my car comes out of it. Fingers crossed. See you next time, guys. Uh-oh. 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 He's taking off!
Easy, Rocket Man.
It's a burn.
This guy just is agreeing, like, yeah, it won't hurt your car.